Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 14th March. If we see yesterday's realized weather, yesterday light to moderate rainfall reported over north-west India, including Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, and also over eastern parts of the country, including Gangetic West Bengal. And a hailstorm also reported at one or two stations in Gangetic West Bengal over Durgapur station. So this is the realized weather. Otherwise, no significant rain reported over any parts of the country. And as regards northeast India and south peninsular India, this light to moderate rainfall also reported at most places over Arunachal Pradesh and at one or two stations over south peninsular India. Otherwise, no significant weather reported over any parts of the country. If we see yesterday's maximum temperature scenario, so the south parts of the country, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and parts of Maharashtra and adjoining East India, is reporting maximum temperature in the order of 37 to 41 degrees Celsius. And yesterday, highest maximum temperature reported over Anandpur in Rayalaseema of the order of 41.3 degrees Celsius. And in these pockets, including North Interior Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, South Telangana, and Tamil Nadu region, reporting maximum temperature at many pockets above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, and also above normal temperature are being reported over East India and adjoining central parts of the country, including Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, and interior Odisha, Jharkhand, and Bihar region. Otherwise, if we see the northwest India, this maximum temperature are either normal or below normal over many parts of the country. As a summary of maximum temperature, so maximum temperature are above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius at many parts over south peninsular India. Today and tomorrow, heat wave conditions are likely to prevail over north interior Karnataka. So this is the maximum temperature scenario. Now, if we see the highlights, so light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind, and hailstorm activity is likely to report during the period of 16th March to 18th March over eastern parts of the country and central parts of the country, including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and adjoining regions. So this is the highlights for today. If we see today's prevailing synoptic conditions, so there is a western disturbance roughly over northern parts of Punjab as a cyclone circulation at 3.1 km above mean sea level, and a trough also there at a middle troposphere westerlies. And there is a cyclone circulation over northwest Madhya Pradesh, and another cyclone circulation over north interior Karnataka. There is a cyclone circulation over southwest Bengal, and there is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam and adjoining regions. And there are two troughs. One trough runs from Gangetic West Bengal to northern parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh across Odisha, and there is a trough from eastern parts of Vidarbha to northern parts of Tamil Nadu across Telangana and Rayalaseema in lower tropospheric levels. So important troughs are this from Gangetic West Bengal to northern parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh under the influence of this trough, and the favorable anticyclonic flow over Bay of Bengal moisture incursion is there. So accordingly, Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha region likely to experience today thunderstorm activity, and there is a possibility of thunder and hailstorm activity at one or two locations over Gangetic West Bengal today afternoon and evening time. So this is the prevailing synoptic conditions today. And if we see rainfall and weather warning for next 5 days, so this is rainfall forecast. You can see that eastern parts of the country, including Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, and adjoining north coastal Andhra Pradesh and parts of northeast India likely to experience isolated to scattered activity today, and thunderstorm activity also expected over Arunachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Arunachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Assam and Nagaland region, and also thunderstorm activity is expected over Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha region today, and north coastal Andhra Pradesh are likely to experience thunderstorm at one or two locations. Otherwise, isolated activity is expected over Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands today, and under the influence of present western disturbance. However, this is in very weak conditions, but this isolated activity is expected to continue over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, especially northern parts of Himachal Pradesh, northern parts of Uttarakhand, and northern parts of Jammu and Kashmir. If we see the weather warning for today, so there is a weather warning of hailstorm activity over Gangetic West Bengal and heat wave conditions warning has been issued for North Inter Karnataka. Now see the weather for 15th of March. So again, eastern parts of the country including West Bengal, Odisha and Northeast India likely to continue to experience isolated to scattered activity, and isolated activity likely to continue over Andaman Nicobar Islands and Kerala region. Otherwise, over rest parts of the country, dry weather likely to prevail on 15th of March, and heat wave conditions likely to continue over North Inter Karnataka. Otherwise, there is no significant weather warning has been issued for any parts of the country. If we see the weather warning for 16th, so again this activity likely to enhance over Gangetic West Bengal, and isolated activity likely to commence over central parts of the country including eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh, as already mentioned in the highlights of today's briefing, and isolated to scattered activity likely to continue over northeast India during the week. And if we see the weather warning in respect of hailstorm, this hailstorm warning has been issued with gusty wind 40 to 50 kmph over Gangetic West Bengal, and otherwise thunderstorm activity is expected over Jharkhand region, Chhattisgarh region, Odisha region, Vidarbha, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh from 16th of March itself, and on 17th this activity likely to enhance further, and isolated scattered activity is expected with scattered possibility over Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, and isolated activity over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Vidarbha and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and isolated activity likely to continue over northeast India. However, hailstorm warning has been issued for eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha region. However, we have given yellow color right now, but we will upgrade as we will approach further close to the 17th of March. So this is a possibility, and the same activity likely to continue on 18th. Accordingly, hailstorm warning continue to give on 18th as well for eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh region, and the same activity likely to continue over east, central and northeast India on 18th of March. So this is all about today's weather briefing for today for next 5 days. And as a summary, we can again summarize that a fresh spell of thunderstorm, lightning, hailstorm, gusty wind is expected over eastern parts of the country and central parts of the country, including Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh during the period of 16th to 18th March, and during the next 24 hours. Eastern parts of the country, including Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining regions of Odisha, like to experience thunderstorm activity today also, and hailstorm is expected over Gangetic West Bengal today. So this is all about today's briefing. Till then, namaskar. We will update tomorrow. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.